Okay, so again, snow, 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 more snow, and more snow falling. Which you probably can't see. Yeah, we are living in snow. Feel like I live in Alaska, but I don't. Don't live anywhere close to Alaska. But yeah, I have to somehow shovel the rest of this walkway today before it gets too late. What a car. Let's see how that car does. Okay, it's not bad right here right now because they actually cleaned off our road because we live near a major road. But yeah, see, it's getting more problems when you get closer to the top of the hill because there's ice there. Fun. So yeah, just cleaned off the car. Had about a good inch on it. And looks like it has about, what, a fifth of an inch already. 15 minutes later.